The global housing slowdown, why real estate markets are facing a new reality. For years, real estate was considered one of the safest and most reliable investments in the world. Home prices climbed steadily, mortgage rates remained relatively low, and investors put trillions of dollars into residential and commercial properties. But in 2026, the global housing market is entering a new phase, one defined by higher borrowing costs, affordability challenges, and growing uncertainty about future price growth. Across many major economies, housing markets are showing signs of cooling after years of rapid expansion. While a dramatic crash similar to the 2008 financial crisis appears unlikely in most regions, economists are increasingly warning that the era of easy gains in real estate may be coming to an end. The biggest factor driving this shift is interest rates. Following years of historically low borrowing costs, central banks around the world raised rates aggressively to combat inflation. Although inflation has moderated in some regions, rates remain significantly higher than they were during the housing boom of tens and early 20s. For home buyers, this change has been dramatic. Monthly mortgage payments have increased substantially, even when home prices remain unchanged. A property that seemed affordable a few years ago may now be out of the reach for many families due to higher financial costs. As affordability declines, demand has weakened in several major markets. Potential buyers are delaying purchases, waiting for rates to fall or prices to adjust. The slowdown in demand has reduced transaction volumes and increased the amount of time properties remain in the market. The United States offers a striking example. While national home prices remained relatively strong compared with the pre-pandemic levels, sales activity has slowed considerably. Many homeowners who secured ultra-low mortgage rates years ago are reluctant to sell because moving would require financing a new home at much higher rates. Economists refer to this phenomenon as the lock-in effect. Millions of homeowners are effectively locked into their existing properties because selling and buying another home would significantly increase their monthly housing costs. As a result, housing inventory remains limited despite weaker demand. Europe faces similar challenges. In countries such as Germany, France, Sweden and the United Kingdom, rising interest rates have cooled housing markets that previously experienced strong price growth. Some regions have already recorded modest price declines, while others are experiencing stagnation after years of appreciation. China's property sector remains one of the world's biggest concerns. For decades, real estate played a central role in the country's economic growth model. However, financial difficulties among major developers and weaker consumer confidence have created significant challenges for the sector. Chinese authorities have introduced measures designed to stabilize the market, but analysts continue to debating how quickly the industry can recover. Because real estate contributes substantially to economic activity, developments in China's housing market are closely monitored by investors worldwide. Commercial real estate faces even greater pressure. The rise of remote and hybrid work has fundamentally changed demand for office space in many cities. Companies are reducing office footprints, renegotiating leases, and reevaluating long-term real estate needs. As vacancy rate increase, some office buildings have experienced a sharp decline in value. Investors and lenders are particularly focused on older properties that may struggle to attract tenants in a changing work environment. Retail real estate has undergone its own transformation. E-commerce continues to shape shopping habits, forcing many traditional retailers to adapt. While prime locations remain valuable, some commercial properties face long-term challenges as consumer behavior evolves. Despite these difficulties, not all segments of real estate are struggling. Industrial properties, logistics facilities, data centers, and warehouses continue benefiting from powerful structural trends. The growth of online commerce and artificial intelligence has increased demand for specialized facilities supporting digital infrastructure. Data centers have become one of the hottest areas of real estate investment. The AI boom requires enormous computing capacity, driving construction of new facilities worldwide. Investors increasingly view data centers as critical infrastructure for the modern economy. Population growth and urbanization continue supporting housing demand in many regions. Major cities remain attractive centers for employment, education, and economic opportunity. While affordability challenges may slow growth, long-term demographic trends will support demand for residential housing. The rental market presents a mixed picture. Higher mortgage costs have pushed some potential buyers into renting, increasing demand in certain cities. At the same time, new apartment construction has expanded supply in some regions, helping moderate rental inflation. Governments face growing pressure to address housing affordability. Policymakers are exploring measures ranging from zoning reforms and tax incentives to public housing initiatives and support for first-time buyers. However, housing policy often involves complex trade-offs between affordability, market stability, and investment incentives. Investors remain divided about the future outlook. Some believe housing markets will recover once interest rates begin declining. Others argue that affordability challenges could persist for years, limiting future price growth. Financial institutions are closely monitoring the sector because real estate plays a crucial role in the global economy. Housing influences consumer spending, construction activity, employment, banking stability, and household wealth. Significant market changes can therefore have widespread economic consequences. Technology is also transforming the industry. Artificial intelligence, digital transactions, virtual property tours, and advanced market analytics are changing how properties are bought, sold, and managed. These innovations may improve efficiency but are unlikely to eliminate fundamental challenges related to affordability and financing costs.